How to solve integral 1 over x square dx. First of all, we will convert this 1 over x square into x raised to power minus 2. As we know that 1 over x square can be written as 1 over x whole square, and for taking the reciprocal of 1 over x, we will put a minus sign in front of 2. So it will be equals to x over 1 raised to power minus 2. Okay, this can be done if we put a negative sign in the power. We can reciprocate the in between of the brackets. Okay, then it will be equals to x raised to power minus 2. After that, we will apply power rule of integration. So applying this, we will get x raised to power minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1 plus c, and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, therefore it is equals to x raised to power minus 1 over minus 1 plus c, and this is equals to minus x raised to power minus 1 plus c. And now to remove this negative sign from power, okay, we will reciprocate this x. So it is equals to 1 over x raised to power 1, which is equals to 1 over x. Okay, so it is equals to minus 1 over x plus c. This is our answer.